yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane winnano baby ya kuma TV amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane winnano baby ya kuma TV amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane winnano baby ya kuma TV amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane winnano baby ya kuma TV amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane winnano baby ya kuma TV amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane yena yedimu kuma TV aba amansane winnano baby ya kuma TV amansane
ya bushafo ya damu nyina ase obade enhye obibia wa waje bre no atrase na the spiritual hospital wo kuma TV Africa se aje ntra ha e wo wiase afa na nyina obi ase de na ye efise eduru sa bre se dia na opesunsun semotie na pe abakosem na pe amamra sem dia wo chimtu ba bia wa mistake kuma TV ya wade oye ahanso de ye nyina ye nia ye dia ye nyina ye dia nya ba akofo dia enti nyadaje na kame ho na me no nyina ye sua ade a ebebo ade na nanom dia na nchiri no ya ense nchiri mafa nchiri maje mo no yansa nko hwai fisa twosam se monko na monko gya tete atempo no se na monko bisa ba bia kwampane da na monfa so bi na monya home ma mokra eni pase yamfa so sa wonfa so obo ade enso no ni asem bia opa befa so ntem ompen so gya to na mende me fie de ye befa so ye nya home e de amekra enti na kame ho na so no fie monfa na moamo na asomdwe emra ye nya ka watini wakame ne wa na ye me ne abusia ene e ba besia de nya kopon sha mi a me di dwumade o cha me di major prophet so poku da kon me patch from major one na major so bi asinyina ona ekuta tumi efreme the great oracle one enti enada yi me da ase so aje bre na aka me ona me gidi yi se eno no me so na ekọ na what bi wasom e bi wadwemo ene oba besua de oba de anya okese me patch oba me na me homra isia me ba ye beto aso me da ase
ehoni ahade come up
akata wine
akata wine so I say when are you so
na say forklift de dada eno ne adwuma me de ba adwuma mu ha na me beturu ye no ana nchansi ni twa no aye me de
asebo chale me nua na ja obi abodan so ma no na nye kura wo the way was fine to kura dem finfin no nso to ebebo ne se shower no
chama aboko de
me say ma bokasi dan yo e dia man international contractor no boss na me nua yi ba ya wo se chale nsuo to a be se shower roof ni nyina anye
papa wo dada GB1 ye say rain go away come again another day obepo modern no ama inspectors e di kan akwa check ahwe eye enua carpenter ni de ball wo dan ne so esan say yen chance ne de bebo so ama wo ye pedimpa esan say yen ye wodimpa dada
e say kala be na mo de bebo man me dan na match
wo ye chameleon wo ye chameleon en chen GB1
nice one
ye wo kala bia bi me kamechiro yen ko me mfam mfam
obehu GB1 Industries wa koma e ben custom barrier wo fin so kwan so
and I'm surprising. Edusa heba mixture. Any edusa heba capsules. E wo dwa na nemi go di bra wo. Wo se tem bia complain wo sisi. Any koko ne. E pese ejo to dem. Enu hu dwa kese pa na nemi go di ye no. Na woni eyema oba ne bem. Edusa heba mixture. Any edusa heba capsules. Eye koko. Any sisi yare dro kese pa.
Edusa heba mixture.
Any edusa heba mixture.
Madam Swe.
Edusa heba mixture. Any
they draw was sunny na bob here.
See that? Me come in here kwado.
Wa dance here. Aye juma kata.
A living testimony. Ona kwaje odi e.
Edusa pray. Obie timinum bi. Ajisa apemfo. Wona wo man kwada no fo. Any de onya mfie dumie mu.
FDA ahwehwe saa adwadie nkrato yi mu. Agye atumu se eye.
Bafana kama sama mami, bafana di masama mami, bafana tu minyarewa, na wa mama wadi ya so chai, usisi ya oya, bafana eba mischa, konoria, sasa brena maya ume, bafana eba mischa, handi dasi, sepala shunamure, abibi duro mujata, bafana eba kapso, uno kapsos na uno mischa, open phone and num wouldn't feed me no jai and what you be at me num now bubo beer Ubenya bafa Mr. ne capsules or my muba beer tonu pabia kai say adwen ye mama fra woni mfie dumienu e ma pemfo e na obatan a o ma ne ba no fo bafa ugidi ajo nkwa Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Tale ti ehoni ahade come up
akata wine
akata wine so I say when are you so
not a forklift de dada eno ne adwuma me de ba adwuma mu ha na me betru ye no ana chance ni twa no aye me de
asewo tale me nua na ja obi abodan so ma no na nye kra wo o the way was fine to kura dem finfin no nso to ebebo ne se shower no
chema aboko de
me say ma bokasi dan
yo obade nshao yakoje nkrato ba medase se wa ma bo mfo no onye ofidie na emfre ha efisa aha e agoprama aha de wuyi ofidie emfre ha efa na wokro wodo se kobuti tra na ensua de na aya na woje ensempa no me pa cho medase ena de menya Kumawood abedipele e wa ha Kumawood abedipele aha Captain Band no different in some way enye yie ono ana bono da bia owu kura be bono obade nshaw me pato ena asem trade ato on se me fanto okura mpansa make you put suspense me pato owura na ode asem ne bro no ankasa e de asem be tudwa na bibia ti efefefe me keep you suspense me pato so pese o test eba text message line ni 0543 596070 0543 596070 me pacho we me Kumawood test line ano yemfre me pacho ye test so wontime ntwira e ma ne hawo nyabotre ne jai na me bie phone line no tumu a wo so watimi afre na woni ahwetwe nkomo na bibia atimi aye kama me pacho me da sepa Rabidol
Major Prof
the champion man Rabi
Major
ye hu ha che
Trillium Corner na
ada okoshe Israel na okoshe London na hefa na ko
oh Major Mohammed Judaland said they will na
enti Judaland ahofe ana waje ne sei
so because Judaland here it's a natural vibe so yeah
that's right the place is very good because I can't remember when was the last time is it last year or this year
I think this
year because osha environment you know I tell you eye baby assessment ko nipa bia etena because every natural ibia hobby enti Judaland de abusua wote Kumasi asantemem na won conversate ho a ene na wo ya asan ne ma bomode ya ne ko na ja wisdom e bo papa me tia wo adama ya me esha Rabidol me na mabo odin ene bra obi age brese wo hwe wo obi kura ho da wane Rabidol
Major Medase na Machia Kuma Uti California na Mamu na Menchia and Nautical Cost to 262 Sweden. Namenchia a Santaman for Henya, Namenchia and Anamo use you on boy home by Santin Kunya, Ethiopia Kunya, Malin Kunya, Sudan in Kunya, and Afri River Na and River Jordan. Major a Castle Rabidol and I just say Rabidol a Bermua and I say Cratchy or Yachame or Judaland.
Oh wow!
Science spiritual coach. Na Judaland Jumedia is purposely no. Destiny readings. Onipa shebrimu, ye shebrimu. Said ye trikasa na because ye ko ebisa. Ye ebisa ho ne ma na afi so no. Ye san ma ye enuane ho akwankyere. Sebi na amafo nuane ya be ya. Nipa buso mu dini fufu a lot of diseases in the area between Baba and so about Judaland. You be a priest and after your spiritual coaches as well around that. Your boy, my wote, Abrabas, and after your mom, every time who here said, we would take remember I be near Obama or every mind of being on after very proud to be disability. Yeah, dear, subsidy, Yan anonymous song, some, and I some. Oh, Judaland.
Wow, Robbie, Yame and Shaw. Me pacho ebi ana obi ani age ho nsam kakra ya wakan no opese ofre wa ahomatrofo be no mfa mfre wo
majo obi pese ofre me a obetima frɛ mo 0547
0547
11 23
96 0547 11 23 96
program here time be offer obetima
wow okay Rabidol and me pese hwe assembly ya na ta tete se altar sometimes oko aso dem a you say the ancestral altars let us destroy it yes ancestral altars altar no ho asem ne me pese hwe the importance of African altar
very good
and no ne ade a ene me pese ye dwene ho because the importance of African culture and no kura any the idea.
African altar no say the way can me fan say a medium bia new pebia we be bia so we will be a oje one ananu sumudi na oje the connection to the universe how I any trading for Yakopon kasa oji di we be man e be kwan so dia sabi na tese obehia altar na altar no se oko asori dem aya na obota ka se monfa mo offering nemra altar no na tese be ani mo na ye popet na sofo ni gina be preaching ho na ye ta represent as the Christianity altar no metima ka se no ye me fa say basic altar and shut down holy a powerful element that leads you to the universe. Now, open altar ye be menu and I said before altar ye they connected to your trading point. No ye be a all set now a honour and answers had ya now set your reference altar. And you now be now be connected to your ancestors and now be connected to connect to the universal father I from the trading point and the Babalao. Altar idea be a medium be and France would be natural na wo set here now the normal natural things the four elements na connected to God no so four elements in the basic altar so but some more can altar na me kire say opesa we altar say na you see altar craft first of all say opesa we create altar for yourself now on na what say be I said we live on your own room na chamber or now private room obi an shadama this way invite you to come there then you can create an altar and no you bit men your wood you say wood you say by flat
flat
Okay.
wood.
Okay.
Depending on how our room is sitting, and I'll bet you a bigger, I'll bet you a small. Now, first of all, when you're sell wood now, over marty, and then a bit my say a normal material, but a very divine, a clean mat. A bit my mat, or ancestor with them, say be a material be. Maybe I'll 248 to the first and the second them, and answer material be a farming crew, and I say any of your ancestors I wouldn't even be a bit madam. And I say, what you quite the I say, a old table, so I can so we are every African spirituality we believe in 4 elements, and then a couple money being and compound.
Okay.
As I have 4 elements, you know, a
Okay.
A jack. Asase and I feel from
okay.
It is only on 4 way over here all time so. Now, you did kind of ensue to pay ensue a glass of water. It is a ensue a ethnic process of one thing. Say, young to ensue, say, yes, to be ensue, say, yeah, poor benensue, say, yeah, Bossumetry and I was on tree was ensue. And you nearly say ensue. When you say to represent the water element.
Pipe on so
Pipe with the poison and chlorine in or maybe a zoom along BT.
Okay.
Pipe with the
now a Buddha so
a Buddha is very important. When you Buddha so very good because you see if you are ever.
Okay.
When you sense you know see what now for when you be a was assassin over to me and a boba and shut down that baby or Nipadia and I'm more a boba be a mura be mukakra and our forest kakra be a what team baby a child wandering for a long time. I was saying I want to find the number. Now number 2 water. So wait many crystals. I know see about besa crystals and gemstones. No, I am in your editing. Between your boy be a boba precious stone beer. Wait till we ban up to remember say no remember altar. The memory are represent assassin. I made a glass be and I'm them boba different lagoon. And I'm sorry more renga root be. This is representing the earth.
Okay.
So you don't know yet representation of the earth. You want your candle. Candle no super represent fire. Okay. In this case, you have 3 elements. Last element in the air. And we put incense. It will not have 4 elements to ya. We're placing in our altar now our creating so. Now for when you're signing my way to her, one you go the picture. One and go on na mu family picture say ni pa ni bitiase na ebi nso omo emu bi kura ewu so far as say omo wo mu ne wo bushafo no mu nya woni ntini utimi sa picture no ye one sisters na sa wona na no pictures na bi si o so omo am ewu na wo picture utimi si o altar o pa ewu na wo picture di si o altar ni nyina ya kire say wonu omo don ensada because uwo mu no mu so wo mu it's even though omo wo na mani no omo da so o mu it's omo picture so bi si o and I'll bet you so a flower pot kit to a na ebi a the flower be aloe vera be na bibia shema efifi and so represent o family nyina na de so si o
yeah flower pot
kit to a
okay
ebi na bi na say o fafo ni bi o mabuko a oni ji o mo ho a o pro mo sampa ebi na ebinum cigarette no nti no sa no o be pejot na de ato altar so representing sa o na nakoro na oni so pejot ebi na bi o ano no ehwemade ye ne de na the perfumes mu hia no ne oils bi ana osra so utimi na perfume bi ye divine perfume ye nice perfume no so timi si o altar so represented sa particular onana na o ye sa de no afi obetima sa nya bibi ti say ye candle no ye perfume candles bi wa glass mu so a wo scent bi ye yamba utimi so to spice up altar no ma scent kama ba afi obetimi de ancestral money na say na no musika old sika to say sika ya dam ko mu say o hwe say sika we ya Jew for sika no say sika we no Ghana and Nigeria and any this sika we time England colonize the sika pra to kru dem go say Star of David ne da so no the Star of David ne the symbol of the people of Israel and I say Israel it was a symbol here Ghana and Nigeria said the slavery no person who say we mu na the real Israel no say sika we dey and the share so he says sika we mu be ancestral money
go to the beer to altar so I feel we say carry shells and now their friend is city na city so maybe a drum na ya dey the third dey na yesika the city so to altar so that's how altar we no normal aka we mu nyina so additional things be a ona na normal oni mo no pa obetim sa no money nyina aba beguo precious things say natural things obetim sa normal we nyina go altar so na altar ne baby a obegyina ho na dia bo mpaye na time bi a oba be set saa nyoma we no obetim de sa normal we mu nyina go box bi time bi a oba be ye mpaye bo bia no ahye na obetim so ahye asi ho so what na your uncle na okum obetim ahye so time bi a be say we communicate with the ancestors communicate with the divine father bi a ho na obe kwa communicate until altar is very important as an Africanism and as obi a Pan African and obi a oji ebibisumudi a sorry mosque there also timina altar o fie even though omo sorry no grab bebre altar you are so for bebre ba omo secret room that is where they have their altar you can even have a mirror now the bebre woni mo because so na nanu fun go no mani cha hwe omo ta hwe omo betima na representing na say ba be communication to your ancestors ba be unyan kamade ba be chante no na nanu be kasa amana go si trade am ponyan krompon so a ba light o candle
okay
then no just say the fire element no wa connect one na nanu ma omo ye eja the fire element no wa connect I feel be so incense no activate the air element and so incense no so be so incense no there is already there eboba no so is already there I feel ba be frɛ one nanom divinely one nanom omo do wa omo wo omo jemu one nanom omo ye nsuo one nanom omo wo from omo nanom omo ejemu one nanom omo asase so no omo asase ase wo fro mu nyina so omo na be tai wachi enti empaibo a within 15 to 30 minutes no so utimi kasawie na so we obi a sound in meditations and I sound here important it would mean a small bell be so kwa comfort ne abosom so a be on tower bell so say on clink sound no on say we talk about sound waves and wind waves meditations and no be create sound it mean ye bibi be no one move on ko be bia na it my bibi so when you say bell na sa sound na upon crying ejiji o wadwene mu eno so bo ma utimi connect into the higher self utimi nya sa bell bisa anytime bi a wana nanom animu a obesta tia kase bi utimi o so sa bell to activate the altar now no nanom makasa
na se o so sa de no a enyane nananom emomo ya wo se obi ne obi a ready so no bekasa okay
into altar ya de bi a very key very important altar na utimi ma offerings say bi kaka o flower pot kit we bi o wa na tie ne ade wa ase a na o ensa gin say kasa preko bi o wa na be say o ma offering na na chinchina say time bi o so sika na ko to bo mu as offering sometimes we go nsa as offering na o dey adase for eda and now we do asasi so and the bamba on na no koso ade ma o and the o sire nyina no timi sansan ko this kind of tongues sansan and insani a spirit sani a friend and the spirit in the first spirit so how the insani go on all the kasa a form of confession yet to one another connected to trading bonyankopon because sabi the one found another so I want to be bonyankopon said the Christian so one for Jesus so bonyankopon you always have to go through a channel to meet the holies of holies because already the one the original self what asasi so na uni nyame ntemu no enwa kra na se ya bon so uni nyame ntemu wa this who keeping nature around you na who observing nature it is so when you altar all them no ma kan ya dey altar ni na ya no ma natural things nyame abodi am wa na when you say no ma na afa who train wa adwene with your altar sabi obu o ha o so obo mpa ya na say o ye akwanche kakra bi na no when nya response it na ba mo no ni kwa so aba mu akwai so mobile phone si ekuta mu mobile phone so no bi so e very motherboard board na e wo so ya replace bibia e wo be so there so baby hu tu chima bia na me bo a wo ya enyeye okay if you memory card na kra na shop phone so itimi yema na we track picture cross so one delete bia enyeye there are so many times I call for air pe input you mo pen koso o magrabo but e kwa mo fa so busa any baby o mu jina busa saa ne o ma no kra no the place no mu jina the land is full of dirtiness the land is full of enoma bi a emma kwan emma good things into member nti baby a wo jina no o petrol na wo show bedroom a o ye dey na trotro besa o pe uber ana o pe boat now show them a bit more request a bit more bad before
that's right
you just have to know the medium a kwan a fa so yes anyway because some people force say wo didi a o te aduane na so wakata woni ko no say wa non mu na ye dey fa be ko ye yem so te aduane nra ya so
Debbie
but so wo hwa akwala nyini na enkola nyini no mu so ama mu ba o timi te aduane kwa no de ye ye ti even though na no kwan no still an o di agro because we experimenting more into nyini be do be you don't need to be born again when you know you have to accept maturity
okay
now to cost na we dey also we da bia wo kwa wo ba wo fom ne ade nyina no so wo fom wonu se no ma bia wo ye wa anya ade ne ade da bia wo ko water ni mu wo make sure so we dware why clean and na wo ba water ni mu wo ba water ni ma o se ye wo dwe se wa ya enye nyina no wo so element ni nyina area wo ka e pai mu ka straight to your altar now sra boniface said the why you bia the woni da mo ne de woni na wo nyina na no mo nyina wa chi no mo fa nchew na wo sra twedi ambo nyankrobo no so bon from abosa element etwa wo nyina nya hia se on fa nchew so yes sa de nyina area and I'm say e bia na wo guilty to whatever that you have done you can obetima success can be sequence na dia che mo brohufo o say uma adoye ye wo da na wo reason to give her tambia no money and good things will attract you.
Wow.
So we also pesikendro ni ade. No pesikendra. Wa no be ye adwuma. No am akoma mu ate. O so timi hwa ha wa ye ma afoforo bi. So be am so betima nya bi.
That's right.
So be ya no mokra na duru ba bi a. So what flowers be around you a. O so timi gugu sa flowers ni na so. Ebo ha we area wo a form of fufu ya basabasa wo fie. O so da kubu o sorry amapa straight to nature. Don't have to form now ye yesani man. The moment I was yesani man. Na etene wono e reconforming now consciousness will be an echo high because we na won say na ye very clear clouds ni nyina mu no ni nyina sa wo tiri yo mu bia wasase sunsuo bi adem from ani bibia ni nyina is with you wow say na ko bombo nria eboro ani banchene body ani ade na me mo bi bia ka nyina nipa na ebo nipa na ko ensuo hu koto fish e ko fish ba nipa bia take e mani fifi nipa na ye ni o ma aka nyina ntu yo nipa da sani a obetima manifesting o ma bebrebe go ye said na bia meka no ye obi a we energetic person and energy nso emu it is o ma ye de ehu tu mu se ubewu na wu a ni obi emu na heaven is na there's nothing like that ubewu but it is o ye energy so you always have to recreated and can you say we are born in creation ya we have to abodi emu it is so see ebobibi we have to create because therefore we have been create and at the end I created here can also create go mobile phone will be not created here or the bar also so mobile phones what create Facebook what create YouTube why are you creating the Facebook ni YouTube go na bit ma create but me no this animal in na bre won who says so afasa animal we am we distract wa uko na nanu mani ma we creating no ma ayo we creating no ma ayo more conscious and no ma betim dim puntu aba enti ye de western things be a block nti da bia no you addicted to phones ne no ma bia en shada anya natural things na na do ba ma mika se mi jo ye mobile phones ye kutai which maka say a lot of people mobile phones are serving as their altar oh yeah so no di ye bia the reason ni bia so phone do mo tika say ye phone ye do de bawu no correct option bia nti we have to build a different belief system out of these phones ni e fon ko sha abodi mu because all the what the wife no bibia to abodi ani nakopon so a emu na bibia wa abodi inside say say obi akoshela obi create coronavirus so say covid-19 say am no ka say covid-19 e hon sem aye kan dey hom say ka ben ko fobi na create omo say be create e hon duro omo dey be music e so what are you creating ti e mo be nya so be creating an altar hon na so be kasa e hon na ba ye wonya kama dey hon na no na no bibia be kasa na as that say o bomb fire through your altar but mo changes be wa brabo na ba mo say we
wow Rabidol also me jam one flow because me say enipa bebre atwe book ya yesua so there was no need for me to come in because obi try no interruption
right
and you know baby Audrey what the car say as an African and that's how you be near we are direct to God when are original creator so original creator ni nyame and we are original creation because we are born
when I want a the simple meaning of Arias in United States under the sun.
That's right.
The sun here, the son of God. You know now, on the Bible, try my son of God now representing Nipa. Because the son of God, the Ariana born now on the sun. So say we are we know China, about America, UK, Spain,
other Western world.
COVID-19, but my manipulated down because we are with the heat and the energy at the man. Can you say heat be energy? And if I be able to create heat energy. Okay. I don't know whereby me now go for heat energy who I was a ultimately caught into trance. All of a sudden, if I be an brain on no offer. You are capable of all these things. It's only original person I want a say it's so much more ato. See I know we are saying but your palm here. It's your to me we am easily. We am bomb is you to easily. Regulated. Your time when we are summer, your time when we are spring, your time when we are winter. We know the be summer, the be winter.
That's right.
It's no. Yakupon boy is such in a way say we are under the shadows of God. You will Yakupon Susumunasi. I see a tear, see any conform to. We are the best of all. I will need you with him. I was simply need you with him because when you saw only a bronson, I'm
Rabidol. Another school of thought, like religious people, obviously a Christian, obviously a Islam, obviously a Hare Krishna, any other. So they know what I say. Obefa kukubi nebi offer abubabi edi egum na wo de nuabi esisim na wa fa kanda na wayi edi ayayi. Obisi me Kristo ni me yesa na ema no a eya bosomsem. Enti Kristo ni bia betima yesa na ema ya wo kire altar no building an altar no. Kristo ni bia betima ye. And I say any other religion bia ebetima yesa de na wo ye no. Ana ye wo ebibisom de and you walk Christosoma and I say other religious groups and also there.
Altar on the Tiana say, it is a choice, it's a Taria, a Toshe, no baby and ultimito. And an altar, you good altar. And on all the divine things, and on all the connected, what the Yoma for your progress. And outside for if you are prepared for one will chima and no bush you. And your altar, so I get evil. To say your more altar. Okujane altar na mo a ni element a o use na nya element ya me kai ono so use nse kan eni mo jane no ma no ma bi eni colors be dangerous bi ni no ma nti ono no de okujane mo bia na ofre so di bone obi di da yi bi eno no ye the demonic altar and I say altar eno no ye for devil works eno no is not divinely way but ya me kan altar twedian po nyankrompon boy ye no ye na no mo hu se yeni nyame neti ti yeni nyame ti yeni nyame ka sada bia na this yeni na body mu no ma surrounding us ni yeni sa na mo ne communicate nti so obi o Kristo ni no on gidi se Christ na genkwa na Christ na ebewu age ne nkwa na se ono no age Christ ma no beti menya heaven na kone sa na man bia then say the family nya sa altar we America because no already know what take stand in life but when nyame take stand ana we obi a still na Christ asem no e wo wa bi mu na dia then you need your ancestors because mama unya mumu nyina wie but who could Christ what the 2000 years a year nin some so I controversies will be it's the best thing about my boy say who the divine no who you be a person who share dey na utimi study wadene na utimi hu because and now we need the body now no no ye the hu no all body ni ma o control body no na so am kan enya de foforo bi na ye kire dipa e ye sa hu na ti hu no do be o timi ka say menye we no or say study sa home na sa voice na stay glue my one journey enya very clear and glue to sa home pana that be okasa cho na shut all the negative voice down into altar there ko bi ahia say bibini bi ahia say ko benya altar because na me no ka say ye wa brofo bebreba true as no and almost on your altar wa bruchira o me abrofo so mo gunsa ye ne o ma na ade a edibo nti ade na ka me nwa bibini dia ka on pe altar but they be more the Christosome Muslim ne
Hare Krishna ne na wana obi akikire omo na o ma run away from the norm the traditional norm enti de me kan de obi a ogina nanom di no ogina nanom ne omo mawu na busuamu edi sebi omo wu honam ne nanso omo ohunmu enti obetimi ene omo connected through an African code enti obi a ogi African spirituality di
okay Rabidol nyame obade insha no onye okese pa efa druso abusia kame wo na me nkonkoje me nkoto ade mra sisi a na me ba mebisa Rabidol asembi mebisa the importance of it so binya sa altar na ade ne timi yema no de de beba na brabom
that's right
no dwene ho me ba abusia me do GB1 Industries GB1 Industries wo mu wo krobi e friend akom ya ewo offense kwa so baby a custom barrier no ewo no GB1 de omudwuma de omudie ede buo nipa ne se wunya su da wie na ma carpenter ne de nu aguso a de aka ne so be ma GB1 aba wadwenem eho no omude nchance ba beguso na nchance omude beguso all colors color bi a opebi omude e ba beguso e de amawo se de be ya wodan no ensu oto apetampe ewe ebo apetampe enframa ebo wo na nwene se medan so bepa GB1 se menka nche o se bomode na no omuni nkomo omubu so de da fompa omu ya badem Ghana omubu obi a abusia me pacho wo number ne 0540 12 32 12 0540 12 32 12 anasa Odo beti na first GB1 omo number si anasa number me de ema we ya ebeboa wo na bibia nso etimi ayekama abusia me do edusa herbal center mami edusa ne kura edusa me pa cha me salutumo oba de nshamo mami edusa ne kura edusa omo de omo so ye akwa boss wa me macro baby a boy filling station inside one ma wana mami edusa ne kura edusa omo aso ye wo na enshanko oba de se enye ho nko anso no wo Oma shita omemu nyina enya asanteme mu kwa na edisa heba ewo na even at all edro we kwa na sanso trashie edro we ekoba bi ya ewiase nyina enidi edisa heba echi me pacho ma na edisa se menka nche o se oyi oba na wonte de bia me ka kire mai oba de sanka be man de safa asere mu a eso ho na mu yi na ba bi yetro kakra se de be ya be man ne ma nyina timi akoso kama na ye be man so a men trase ma dabrejo be ma bi wa metedu ya ma yemre okokete so a ni sika nko na yegide ya de nsafa na so ti ana no ano no ma me du sasmen kan cho se bomodi ana fo ne che o ma so ye ma me du sasmen nui esanso eye ekuro edro nipa bi won ma no na me ne ya ebre bi ana oye se ebi sase so do ne kire na so ye obemu odru a ebe ma wo mu ekuro ni nyina ewu na bibia etu ya kama me pa cha bomodi ate edisa number yi 0500 110 115 0500 110 115 and now 0557 009 824 when so 0559 009 825 me pacho edisa numbers and am dey atodwa me do mejo one na so here da bia sara me ka che mejo one sunsun nipa e bia na woti wi na niam bi akutia wo hunu niam bi so woti abroche enema akutia wo ade bi won mo ese hunu mu se de Rabidol ka se obi asete altar yi me pacho altar no nya bi wo fi ana da bi uni bi ekwa be so na be fa obe build altar yi Rabidol so we ye bi before altar eno a kire we wani je ho a fo ni kire mo wani nso nye ho na do ani je ho na do ani a kire na mo de me ka che onyina ne se mpani se bisa fo won to kwai enti se nyama bi ko so na won ti ase a bisa obi na obi so obi ana nso betima yi obi enti mejo wan so de woni sunsun na ye adwuma ebia na bibi hawo mejo se fo ni kire se sunsun de yanko ade afo ni kire na bra no hwe sunsun mo mawo ye fa sunsun metwa ne pei enfa ma mejo asanso bi the spiritual school ya sha se WhatsApp a ye sua de se de ya build altar se de sifra honhom se de seri honhom di nkomo ni nyina eye adesua ebinom nso enije ho a wo sua Sana baye betimi abo me patcho number ne 0553 011926 0553 011926 and now say 0272854387 me patcho we mejo one numbers a wode edidwuma bomode ana pick mbako na one mejo enkasa me patcho me do kuma TV ya kuma TV ho emobia kuma TV enyi ho mo obi okọ school enye university for dia and enyi obi a wan ko school nko so bia enye nyira dia enti kuma wudu yewo airtime bebre programs a wudu na enyina airtime gugugu so open bia me ambo dwato de ho dawura abusua me kan fu kuma wudu amawo efi so onya betra kuma wudu so a wo ye star ye duma bia edi bia e call YouTube direct sɛsi amene wɔ kasa wobɛtumi akyɛke wɔ YouTube ɛwɔ Samdakus TV SAMDACUS na de TV na so ɛwɔ Samdakus TV Samdakus no nso ɛdamufoɔ ɛwɔ YouTube hɔ wobɛtumi so akɔ Facebook ɛno nso yɛ Kumawu TV ɛwɔ Facebook ɛno nso yɛ demo live ɛna wobɛtumi so akɔ Google hɔ nso no wobɔ 2C TV a ɛhɔ nso ɛbɛsa nso ayi aba over 1.5 million people ɛna hwɛ yɛn one day enti sɛ yɛde wadwatɔdeɛ bi faa sɛ ya abusua enipa hwɛ one day no ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa enti na meka kyerɛ sɛ de bia wohyia Kumawu ɛwɔ baabi a womfitire kwa na wɔtwa mu a yɛada na se sɛ Kumawu mɛjɔ so ɔda wase ɔma na yɛ star enti wo so bra also bra best star oba de be sha oba de be yo kese o person ni edi dwuma me pa cho number se ni major number se o di to dwa na 0553 011926 0553 011926 and 0272854387 and 0200 603602 0200 where you Kumawu TV numbers are and no fry ebetimi no atwetwe nkomo na ya mo akwanya na so oba bi oba de sha oba de nya okese enche me ba bebie me phone line no se na be ya wo so be nya kwan na so oba mu na me Mr. Rabidol asem quickly na me samra mechi me be phone line this is here Rabi majo me pato baby wa kasa kodri what are the importance of building an altar?
Very good majo me da super a very important question me da super the importance of having an altar no say imprimpi nipa ta eco stress mo so nansia ya ka say lockdown crab look at the kind of stress any problems and confusion because so she feel onya hwe ne ade so altar ekwan e be fa so aboa wo no baako ene say ebebo ama watima communicate with your ancestors and after so ebebo ama watimi no nyame ntem no ebe ye ntietia and after wo altar now altar communicate with the altar ye boa pan is a build your mind because altar no ensem a wo be kan bia na be positive things and ensem na wo kan so we live you ensem na wo kan and as what na altar na nim na wo kasa ko so wo altar na dense ono na nanom wo moje mu nyina na ono nanom a ehwe wo nyina na edinse because first of all your angelic beings are ye wo wa mo kan ho na sa beings ni nyina na o me ne wo ni nyini nti sa me ya wa ye altar na ade ni nyina sa beings ni nyina na you very happy so what you build a holy site for yourself first of all obi asifia or your bathroom or your kitchen or your bedroom or your hall or your dining where is your altar or your bibia for the physical person but when you be for the spiritual being this when you altar and no be purposely for your spirituality e ho na honhom ne ho ma ana say ne honhom abusua e be di nkomo na e be ye comfortable so when your altar eno babo ama obetimi ate honhom ase na be honhom na wo ona na mo edi wachi nyina yie pa
wow abusia for me pa cha me da se me bie phone line se se ya ba bia ya kasa kodroi em say what ni me bia se first bia na agi wadwena aye wadwemu kese na aye tum no enne emu bie enne ma mu sane me pa cha me bia me phone line no 0200 603602 0200603602 me pa cha wo so ba so a ye betimi afawo na me pa cha bomodin se enne asem tre eda ho anasa asem o ebobo ho no e ho question na so bebisa ubisa question wo fo bi a me pa cha ntimi nyiwa no me pa cha oba de insha Rabidol obi anya ma so yi ma me bisa wo se enipa bia obia so obia betimi abedo ono ana altar ana je se o consult spiritual coach bi and wa build the amano
to be very honest with you an altar no so o build the altar tambia na nam so won hyede nimpa nta da bia medical aka no some of us we are there as a spiritual coach nti you betima church o eno ma be hia a obetimi dia ye altar na ade and afi so no ma mabbo so nyina no utimi nya sa ne o ma ne bia o fra betimi ama wa kwankyerwa na otu bi na de ayo your altar bi o ha o ya obu ha very high in spirit ono no sa no na altar na yetimi ehye bibi no ehunhuma de no ma bi ne ye besa ikabo ma no se ehunhum ne o ma ye ikabo ma ebetwa moji agusa de no che de be hye mama na no so si wo na no no your altar you can't just have it for 1 week now connect it to it no I saw wo mobile phone na won charge sa altar na chekwa na o say 2-3 days bi o so ba ni mu na be kasa because say yes na man ma wa man no very fast and very quick bi a person ye bia no ko ho na abo adwuma na adwuma wow na o altar so dem dika kan say the phone na make sure say sanya da bia kwa na obenya time akon kwa na per time ma honhum ni pedua no ko altar no ko di nkomo
hello Hello. Good evening. Good evening, Opening. Good evening, Maria Casafo. Good evening, Happy. Bedas. Aja pia me pacho dano ho kakra bi mame. Why? Hello. Happy. Kasa. Mate. Okay. 0200603602 Oya TV na se me pacho go obeti ya peke na wo so kwa friend na oba ya lo wa fidi re mame sana ba ya beti me nkara me sumato nkai me pacho me dase enti Rabidol sade na me bi se ya obi tie chichi o tie asam na ne de hello America say obi na ba akasa free.
Good evening, Major.
Good evening. Hey, Abdul Salam. The boy says me himself. Abdul
Major, Chairman, the brain.
Joshua.
Rabidol, I had the Namishano, Yamana, and you may Manajo. Major, I'm going to come out from Sono. As I feel, I tell Major, I hear a boss or a boat, baby, I hear some, and I think you're going to pass on. Aviano, when you come on you, not on your Christian. More. And Bosuna, if you demand is so a command or moon income of one or one that creates more. Now you be that way. That your prayers, man, and man, and young people are Christian, it sounds so mine. Not that you need to meet up with some never one on the coming day. Major, you be so. It is in the empire ball, and I think you be there, so I and then a man is you talk. And a Maria bar. I've been not engaged in my own. Not we are going to no more. We are never so many at the time. More. Matthias, and the Major, I thought one of the one I could do with books to see one. Now, I didn't get as a friend. More. Not that we friends are my friends also a bosom. Another visit with my friends are my friend because Jesus was about who called that. More. As well as a friend. Hello. More, Medase pa. Hello. Abdul Fateh, Amazako Yamako for an interaction check. Fateh pa, one make you point. The party does 0200603602 0200603602 Fred na ya no education komo e break akra bi ho e beti wa peke be 10 course and say na ya free ahomem and I say FDA so me party does oba e be fa Rabidol obi ye sofo oti e wasem ade no attach no because e bra no bra no bi on na dwen ADSE by say we sika no wa want me and capture me na so want me capture mpo a e na dey so be wo say ne room no you want four-sided figure you want north south east and west and here fan one fan and inche wo dem ho or the better east and or the better west and or the better north and south obi be bisa sa question we say ne dem ho no so be the altar na se bi one consult no one kasa person o build here and here fan one fan and inche
Major, a very important question. So we build the altar most of the time, and baby, you jina kora bonfire, and all the time, and it's all bonfire. You always have to face the east. Okay, baby, we are no peer free banner. The Son of God, you know, or no, baby, peer free banner. That's where you always have to position yourself, man. So the night you are Abu Salam or Kano. Also, your altar because you're praying anonymous on my phone. Hello. Papa, talk about this on our dream.
Yes, no,
Me pato yeti o. Me pato yeti o. No wa fi de kakra ma me why. O sound no so.
Hello.
Me pato de na ba de akase free.
Kase free ni.
Yeti o. Yeti o pani.
Hello. Me kase free ni.
Anyina me pato yeti o.
So according to yes, some of the children, all of us say yes, you met someone. It yes wɔ ne sama
ɔpɛne mi pata ɔpɛne na aka na so no
ɔsɛ fiɛmfuo
hello
yes ɔsɛ fiɛmfuo ɔkɛba yesu
ɔntemenka monyene mfiri so ɔntemenka why mepata woba ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdie woba ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdie ɛyɛ abotrɛ obiara na obiara nkoe enti nya abotrɛ mepata yesu a wokoma na ɔnyɛ ɔpapa ɔnyɛ wɔfa ɛne ɔnyɛ ɔsewa enti yɛ na nipa bi wa monto bo ase why yɛ nto yɛ bo ase woba wo nua na ɔne yɛbɛkasa program deɛ obi kyerɛ no adwen ɛyɛ adwenkyerɛ wone nya adwen a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ bra personal attack akoa no wone nsua sɛ de sika sɛ wobɛdwam mepatɔ meda ase wo so ba sɛ ɔbɛfa wo ne ɛne wakasa woba me sɛ ɔyɛ adwumɔfidie no ma me kakra na biribiara nyɛ kama meda ase Rabidol
sɛ de na medi kaka sɛ mayɛ na tam bia no sɛ woba Ghana na sɛ when it comes to spiritual things the religious people want to interfere with their religious theory near the other, but they also be at says spirituality is the biggest in everything in life. Abrabona who he has seen some material honamani no man obekwa brutimi sorry this is not a sorry we're talking about personal self experience with God and with the ancestors. Amika Semincho, tell me I bomb fire was sorry the money mosque near there. We refer to you and Abraham, we refer to Isaac here. Quotations of Bible, nobody be a dead man. Why are they referring to this dead people? Because we say bomb mudia you come on some omudia ye born vibrate and therefore it can give us a picture. To say be a friend or say catch you up a pastor so messy free. You will focus on say put your father in picture that I called. That is a mama who say me free. But your contest I de kana. Until some is a big kaka and he say obi betimi a shada breaking the bottom line. He say ube so call heaven this on am yesu kwa so heaven here way you know be na am yesu so.
Hello. 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 Good evening. Opening kasi ya mepacha ma wone so akra. Ma phone na wa na mento nkayi. Oh. Opening okasa no wachi, wantimi anyina so. Aha. Hello.
Hello.
Opening kasi ya mpacho din ene ba bi akasa free.
Pastor Japan.
Pastor Japan. Okay. Opening mpacho.
Hello. See, I see. Some media.
Opening me pacho. Akwa bi ende ha. Ye twi kasa no. Hello. Eme ya so ntire nyina so. Hello.
Good evening, Obejo.
Good evening, Opening kase. Wodi ne ba bi akasa free.
Ana ba bi no face.
Hello.
Me
pacho my phone na wa no akra why.
Me so kwame the face nya ma sa ba bi.
Kwame sunyane okay. Baba me pacho no wa fidie na mame. Sound no so. Hello. 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 Oh, Opening case me pacho lower your TV set for me. I just a moment do one ya kuma ne den. Ma wo sound no mra from say ya obetime nka yie. Me pacho me da se pa. Wo ba so me fa wo. Me pacho me fa one last call. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Opening me pacho dey ba bi akasa free. Oh. Why na we pacho malu. Opening me pacho dey ba bi akasa free.
Hello, good evening, Mother.
Good evening, Opening kase dey ba bi akasa free.
Pacho Malik.
Tachiman. Malik me pacho.
Ye na ba tene igmata ni bi ta jinin de Rabidol kana na ko sa ba tene tiye.
That's
o kon kan so mo kwampa. Wa na e tren so photo of tene ni tiye bi ka boduna asama so na kem an san ya me tiye bi. O de kan de re ya ta le bi kan so ni ti na kwaso no da ma so.
Nyame sha Mr. Malik. Tachuma na mo nyina ase pa me ba to me ti fa call bi abio me de me phone call so no asi wa ya me ba to me da ase Rabidol I think so me be say question be say him fan obi build the altar one fan and inche na wo chere say normally yeah bomb pipe ta de ni chere east ba bi awia ni periphery sa se wo nso obi nso be bisa say enkamofo si wo mo masrachi a ya no mo do mo ni chere ba bi awia pie eno a Christopher say sa de no mo ye no enye nyame no mo som no na mo som awia so
Christianity na sang God omu nyina awia na mo som nti awia na no mo nyina som Christianity som awia Islam som awia omu nyina no they are talking about the vibration of the sun but Islam no or more direct with the sun me make kan wan say SUN no Christopher de nam say popes we na kotna say ne determine say yen change SUN no yen SON and e be SUN nti anytime bia na be ma wa contradiction and they also who say you didn't come out you kasa you hunyansa but you kasa you separate you no social gathering I just say there's problem because the more mu share the more you bo mu se mu kabo mu amoye nyame mu titimu mu amaya abronsam the moment I say mu titimu mu no say mu what is happening right now because you say am no kasa yes sign law so the be mu timi share bebrebe the more mu share bebrebe mu reason mu kasa no mu electromagnetic this energy fields no we nipa ye hono ye hia na ye di nkoma ye hia ideas sa no na sa honhom no ye aduma na vibration ye kase na etete obonefo no nom enti now no obonefo no atekistan omo so ho yeah te say wa tekistan o di wa create bibia obetimi di break you say Matthew say by June ya pope be sign one world religion enti we are saying na be ko esomba akopɛ so Christianity ne be yi a eno nko a this we mu nyina ye no ma according to end this stories no eno ma kase bi benti na ye kase so wow altar you don't need anybody too much you need yourself now oba build wa dwana na obetimi atimi aye onipamu ama wo because honamani no manyina majo ye hada mfa nko ba bia so homene mu build yourself ni ya now build the inner you you are able to travel to wherever you want to go. Say now to New York aba. You don't need any flight to go to New York. You will start no imaginations. Be now go New York. Be na person here. You won't go for more abrochiri. You meduma more money ade. Sango for more abrochiri mu ni ha. Be yetimi bo mu din gina mu ekasagu ye na nanom akwa so twa nkokɔ ne ade ye adwuma ma baby omo no society me ba. Ye omo court cases. You gina all tenim sisi na ye bibia mo na ye ya mo. Enti ka ho behia akra se afoforo nyina na ewo gidie bi se na nanom a omo ba ya ansa na ye ba na omo nyam kwasiafo se da ebi mu ka no na ye na nanom to the right path na ye na nanom mu ne free ba so ye ntimi go contract to them so dem bi kaka no very history I say ye na nanom be ye bi edo mo jan e be to o ma ye say de so be ye bi aso aso ye ba ne asesa no per discrimination fallacy scam all sort of lies until we don't need to. We just have to follow the path of our ancestors because the principles of the world and one that's what universal law and one also can be 9 hours every day. But we also that 9 hours. Yeah, I say a message our deba. Send no man best a close one of the kind of therapy or New York no London near there. And you just saw about it in the most sooner what it is an man. Until I have so about the show, the patch of das and Nadia or the Ababetum. A be not Obiba per se or Bethro as a life coach now. What Jim dear be our betting the abandoned altar. Said the workers I could read the energy home. From me pacho lie baby my number na so dey kaka na best screen so but bit masa afre 0547 11 23 96 0547 11 96 wachia Ghana for man nyina ma mo hwe kuma hu TV radio amponyan krompon nya man nyina akase we hye man nyina nkran se emna we yadu se mo benu aduane pa ama mo man mu kono madi se utimi no aduane pa ye organic a obaju fie no fie fo nyina radio amponyan krompon kyerɛ bia amen Rabidol ena hotel nkai oya the life coach ewo Judaland me pa cho me da se me the program ne nyina abawie ba me fa numbers re san to dwa bio mo a mo pese mo ban ne ye be ye adwuma no 0553
011 926 0272 854387 0200 603 602 me patron numbers we na betimi afre na woni atwetwe nkomo se won antini ye na person say timu bi wa ko YouTube so Samdakus TV SAMDACKUS me patron ko amenya program no live version nyina ahwe se de be ya wo so obetimi akache vibration no ama bi atimi akama na odi dwumade o tia me fa major prophet aso poku da ko me patron from major so na ba sunsumo dia ya from the great oracle one abusia oba de show me chia ma hefo nyina me chia me ankasa me yire so man beki ene me director afidi ewura owura Samdakus me patron me chia mo nyina obia ema bae me damase
honi ade proper akata wine akata wine so I say when are you so na say forklift de dada eno ne adwuma me de ba adwuma mu ha na me beturu ye no ana nchansi ni twa no aye me de asewo chale me nua na ja obia bodan so ma no na nye kra wo the way we find to kra dem finfin no nso to ebe bo ne se shower no chema aboko de
me say ma pokesi dan yo e dia international contractor no boss na me nua iba ya wo se chale nso to ebe se shower roof ni nyina anye
papa wo dada GB1 ye say rain go away come again another day unse na no oba me ma IBR we okay aside IBR no ye wo alozinc and ye wo self lock na ni nyina wo de anyina nchen kakra say dia be bomu sonko kura ne say ye wo emboss and you also me to me the number emboss there be we safe o the board dan so papa ensu to awie bo apekampe utim ya utim de tim
enti mo patch say me dan be say di mu
ye free bibi roofing sa roofing no obepo modern no ama inspectors edikan akwa check ahwe eye enua carpenter ni de bo wo dan ne so esan say ye nchansen ne de bebo so ama wo ye pedimpa esan say ye wodimpa dada
e say kala be na mo de bebo man me dan na match
wo ye chameleon wo ye chameleon enchan GB1
nice one
ye wo kala bi me